Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce operating costs with Best Buy, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce operating costs with Best Buy, start by evaluating your current expenses. Identify which products and services you frequently use. Make a list of your essential electronics and appliances. Visit the Best Buy website or your local store to explore budget-friendly options. Consider their open box and clearance items for significant savings. Check for ongoing promotions and seasonal sales. Take advantage of the Best Buy price match guarantee to ensure you're getting the best deal. Utilize Best Buy's rewards program to earn points on your purchases. These points can lead to discounts on future buys. Another way to save is by opting for Best Buy's financing options. Explore the potential benefits of business leasing for larger purchases. Bundle your needs by exploring Best Buy's tech solutions services. Evaluate your current technology to see if upgrades could improve efficiency. Make sure to keep an eye on the Best Buy business section for tailored solutions. Participate in local workshops or training hosted by Best Buy. These often provide valuable insights into using technology more effectively. Regularly review your purchases to identify areas for further savings. Consider recycling or trading in old electronics through Best Buy's trade-in program. Staying informed about new products and services can help you stay cost-effective. By following these steps, you can strategically reduce your operating costs with Best Buy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.